We're very excited today here at Sunshine Coast University Private Hospital. Today we commemorate treating our 50,000th patient since we opened in November 2013 in one of the areas where we've attracted a new specialist, Dr. Stuart Collins, who's relocated to the Sunshine Coast to treat urology patients.
Well, it's quite amazing, isn't it? We've treated a large number of patients in a very short period of time. In my practice, that's been about a third public patients and about 2/3 private patients.
It actually, I thought with 2 years and the figure of 50,000 was quite high, but having experienced it and experienced it 6 times within the last few months, it wasn't surprising because of the way it was organised.
I think it's a real milestone that we should celebrate and be proud of the fact of our staff and doctors working so hard to treat such a large proportion of the Sunshine Coast community.
Since moving to the Sunshine Coast, I've grown my practice very quickly, and that's been again with the help of Ramsay getting my name out there.
We know there's a high demand for private healthcare here on the coast. We know historically as well patients have had to travel to Brisbane to access a lot of that healthcare, and now they can access it here close to home.
Well, it's so close, isn't it? It's on your doorstep, and like in my case, I was admitted on an evening with serious pain and operated on the following day straight away.
We were approached from Ramsay to consider coming up to the new Sunshine Coast University Private Hospital, and from a family point of view it was a bit of a no-brainer. To be here at the hospital itself has been great because being the sort of only resident urologist here, it's quite easy to go up and see patients as required and to perform emergency surgeries.
But we're very excited about the future. Already we have many doctors who are knocking on our door interested in bringing their existing private practices or growing their private practices here.
The whole process from going to the reception desk and to being discharged was quite an experience, and it was like a well-oiled sewing machine, the way it all worked.
And it's been a fantastic move. We've been thoroughly happy with the commitment we've made to the Sunshine Coast.
To treat 50,000 patients and to get the quality and the great feedback that we get, we rely very heavily on good staff, good processes and great teamwork as well. And it's very gratifying to hear our patients are seeing the results of that great teamwork by our staff day in, day out.